Morning guys, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. We are sat in a 2019 Peugeot Boxer. It's the L4 van. It's the latest model from this particular range. Got the touchscreen radio, DAB, Bluetooth, multifunction steering wheel, and this particular vehicle is going to go out and do some light haulage stuff. Now sadly the dealership cocked up and didn't provide the car with factory cruise and limiter. So we've got involved, and using this fantastic product from Synergy, we have fitted an aftermarket cruise with preset limit of 62 miles an hour. So we're going to try and do a video for you. A little bit difficult when you're actually driving and showing the video, the camera not shaking around, but we're going to do our best to show you how the limiter works. Now, as you can see, yes, it is an aftermarket stalk, looks really nice and neat and tidy, fits neatly into the cowling in the factory location. And you've got a limiter that's already built in, so this will limit this vehicle to 62 miles an hour. Red light comes on about 60 and then starts to limit, because as you can appreciate, this vehicle doesn't really hurtle along at the speed of light, but eventually gets there. Plus then you've got the added bonus of cruise if you're on a long journey. We have fitted also a genuine Nokia cradle hands-free kit, because this customer has got plenty of these phones and loves them. And we've also fitted a Brigade reversing backup alarm, which is quite intelligent, because what it does is it has a preset noise level in case you're reversing at night, but as it detects more noise from passing traffic and other things from industrial estates, it gets louder. So if you are talking and speak progressively louder whilst it's on, it then gets louder, so it's pretty intelligent. Okay, right, we're going to go for a little drive. Okay, so Tim's going to do his best to stop the camera from shaking around. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go just down to the dual carriageway, which is the simplest bit. Now this first stretch of dual carriageway is set to 50 miles an hour, so I'm not sure if Tim's going to carry on recording or whether we'll just cut back into the necessary bit once we get onto the open road. Okay, right, so what we do is I'm in third gear, just going to pop it into fourth gear. Now luckily where we fitted it in this nice neat position, through the little gap on the steering wheel here, I don't know if you can see that, but I can actually see the cruise stalk with the light or LED. So what I'm going to do is the cruise is on just by pressing the top trigger at the top here, and I slide it to the left, and immediately you'll see the light. So even though I've switched it on, I'm now going to just accelerate to 30 miles an hour. I'm going to press set, and cruise is now already taken out of my hands, so I'm doing nothing in terms of acceleration, and I'm set to just over 30 miles an hour. Now you won't be able to see this, but I'm now going downhill, not doing anything with the brake, so let's just set. Okay, I'm just going to pull up to a roundabout, so I've already then cancelled the cruise by putting my foot on the brake. Okay, cruise light is still on, but I've just disabled it just by, again, overriding it as you would with normal cruise. So let's just go foot down a tiny bit. Right, now in sixth gear, so I'm going to press set. There's no point pressing resume because I was on a speed before, so I'm now going to keep pressing the plus button, which is the trigger right at the end. And I'm just going to creep up. So watching the speedo here, I am set to 42 miles an hour, and I've got my cruise on. I've got my green light on. My feet are completely and utterly away from any of the pedals, and I'm just going to creep up a little bit. Okay, just just pressing, if you can hear that, I'm just pressing the up button because it does go up in 1 mile an hour increments. So we have to be careful on this road because it is a 50 mile an hour road. So just pressing, I can feel, I'm not doing anything now, my foot is well away from the accelerator, but the vehicle is picking up nicely. Okay, we're now set to 50. Just bring it back down again. Because of course when you're pressing the button on the end of the trigger, it has to send the data to the ECU and back again. So, right, now doing 50 miles an hour. Apart from holding the steering wheel, my feet are well away from the pedals. Hopefully you can't see my knobbly knees. Okay, we're going uphill ever so slightly. Cruise is kicked in nicely and maintaining our speed of 50 miles an hour. Now, as soon as we've got onto the next roundabout, providing the traffic is clear, we should be on the open road to get to our speed limit. Okay, so I'm just going to manually stop the cruise by putting my foot on the brake. Nice pull away in second there, just with a rolling start. Okay, so now let's forget the cruise for the moment. The cruise light is still on. I have just flicked the speed limiter, so what I'm going to do, let's just pull over here because I've got a vehicle already up my backside. Obviously doesn't know that you can't undertake in the UK. Right. So, now, let's just speed up. As soon as I get to 60 miles an hour, there you go, speed limiter is already kicked in. So you'll see the red light on the stalk, and it's just letting me creep up. So I don't know if you can see the speedo there, I'm just on 60. It's going to allow me to do a maximum of 62 miles an hour, but don't forget, the majority of speedos are inaccurate up to 3 miles an hour. This has already been predefined by the computer to 62 miles an hour. Okay, so I'm in, my red light's on, I physically can't go any faster, the vehicle is stopping me. So, okay, at this point what we can do is we've got our red light on from the limiter, but we can also do the cruise as well. So I've just hit the little toggle on the left here. The green light is on and the red light, so the limiter knows that it's working, and then we're going to set the cruise. Okay, it takes 2 seconds just to program. I'm in, the cruise is allowing me to take it away, and then just dumped me off. Let's just pop it into 6th gear. Okay, just catch back up again. You've got to take into mind that you're driving quite a big tank here, although it is an empty load at the moment. So, cruise is on. Just set that as high as possible.
1 minute left.
Okay, so cruise is on. I'm on the open road. Could be driving anywhere in the UK, and I've got my cruise control on, and I've got no worry about going, or any of my drivers going above my predefined limit of 62 miles an hour. So this is a 2019 Citroen Boxer, Peugeot Boxer, very similar to the Fiat and the Citroen models, but this is the L4, and we fitted a synergy product with this cruise control and aftermarket limiter. If you've got a vehicle like this, get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.